Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, and top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the battery connector board ZIF connector and disconnect the battery connector board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery connector board to the base enclosure. Lift the battery connector board off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Place the battery connector board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the battery connector board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the battery connector board onto the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery connector board to the base enclosure. Insert the battery connector board ribbon cable into the battery connector board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.